In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood lift support on your Chrysler 300. It's located on your hood. Make sure that you have installed something to hold your hood up before beginning. You might need a pry bar. Take this off. Keep a good hand on the hood, just in case your support isn't working. Now we're going to take it off on this side. Same thing, you're going to pull this out a little bit and pull it off. To install, we're going to start with this side first, and you would think that it would go this way, but it doesn't. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it down like this so the smooth side is up, and then you're going to flip this over and slide this down, and that's going to lock it in place. Now we're going to press this on. Make sure that clip doesn't pop out like ours did. If it does, just put it back in. Make sure it's secure. The process on the other side is the same if you need to replace that one as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.